Unpacking the phrase, "It's a real downer," a deep dive into English slang. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating piece of English slang that you might have heard in movies, songs, or casual conversations. It's a real downer. Understanding such phrases can be a game changer in mastering the nuances of the English language. So, let's explore what this phrase means, its origins, and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Stay with us to become more fluent in English slang. The phrase, "It's a real downer," is used to describe something that is depressing, disappointing, or has a negative impact on one's mood. It's a way of expressing that something makes you feel sad, discouraged, or less energetic. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from events and situations to people's behaviors. Understanding the emotional nuance of this phrase is key to using it appropriately in conversations. While the exact origins of "it's a real downer" might be a bit murky, it's widely recognized as part of English slang that became popular in the 20th century. The term downer originally refers to drugs that depress the central nervous system, causing relaxation or sedation. Over time, its usage expanded to describe anything that has a similar metaphorical effect on one's mood or energy levels, not just substances. This historical context enriches its meaning and usage in everyday language. To master the phrase, "It's a real downer," it's helpful to see it in action. Here are a few examples. After a breakup, seeing those old photos of us together is a real downer. Reacting to news, hearing about the environmental crisis is such a downer. Describing a party, "I thought it would be fun, but it was actually a real downer." Notice how the phrase can adapt to various situations, always conveying a sense of disappointment or sadness. When using "it's a real downer," keep in mind the following tips. Context is key. Make sure the situation or topic you're referring to is genuinely disappointing or sad. Tone of voice. Since it's a phrase that conveys negativity, your tone should reflect empathy or agreement with the sentiment. Know your audience. This phrase is informal, so it's best used in casual conversations rather than formal settings. We hope this exploration of "it's a real downer" has shed light on not just the meaning of the phrase but also its cultural significance and usage. English is a rich language full of expressions that can add color and depth to your conversations, and knowing how to use them can truly enhance your communication skills. Thank you for joining us, and we hope this video has been an enlightening addition to your English learning journey. Don't forget to practice using "it's a real downer" in your conversations, and see how it changes the dynamics of your communication. See you in our next video.